Ever found yourself staring at a foreign ATM, wondering if your usual debit card will play nice, or worse, getting hit with unexpected fees that put a damper on your dream vacation? We've all been there, that moment of financial uncertainty when you're miles away from home. It's a common travel woe, and it begs the question, when it comes to managing your money abroad, what are your options? One name that often comes up in the Australian financial landscape is Westpac. They're a major player, offering a wide range of banking products. So, if you're a Westpac customer, or even just someone looking for smart ways to handle your travel finances, you might be wondering, does Westpac actually offer a dedicated travel card? Let's dive into that. Now, Westpac, like many other financial institutions, has evolved its offerings over time. In the past, dedicated travel cards were a popular solution for international spending. These cards often came loaded with foreign currencies, aiming to lock in exchange rates and potentially reduce transaction fees. However, the landscape has shifted somewhat. While Westpac doesn't currently offer a specific, standalone travel card in the traditional preloaded sense, they do provide alternatives that can be very useful for your international adventures. Think about their debit and credit cards. Westpac debit cards can certainly be used overseas, wherever Visa or MasterCard are accepted. However, it's crucial to be aware of potential international transaction fees and currency conversion charges that might apply. These fees can vary, so it's always a good idea to check Westpac's current fee schedule before you travel. Knowing what to expect can save you some unwelcome surprises on your bank statement later. Similarly, Westpac credit cards can also be used internationally. Many of their credit card options come with features that could be beneficial for travelers, such as rewards points that can be redeemed for travel-related expenses or even complimentary travel insurance, though the specifics of this insurance will vary depending on the card and often require activation. Again, it's vital to understand the international transaction fees and currency conversion charges associated with your specific Westpac credit card. Beyond their standard cards, Westpac also offers other services that can assist with managing your finances while abroad. For instance, they provide options for transferring money internationally, which could be useful for sending funds to someone overseas or managing larger expenses. Their online banking and mobile app also allow you to keep track of your transactions and balances while you're traveling, providing a sense of control and security. So, while the answer to the direct question, does Westpac have a travel card? Isn't a straightforward yes in the traditional preloaded sense, it's more accurate to say that Westpac offers a range of products and services that can cater to your travel finance needs. The key is to understand the features and potential fees associated with your existing Westpac debit or credit card and explore other services they offer to find the best fit for your individual travel plans. Doing a little research beforehand can make a big difference in ensuring a smoother and more financially comfortable trip. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.